All right, number 29 of Tradition of Excellence is called Serenity. It is a round. So as soon as the first player gets to the number 2, the second player starts back at 1. You have 2 notes being played at the same time there, creating harmony. As soon as the first player gets to the number 3, the third player begins at the number 1. So you have number 1, 2, and 3 being played at the same time. That gives you a nice round effect. However, and more importantly, for this particular video, is slurring. Slurring is when you play some notes without using your tongue for the notes after your first one. Our first slur is B flat to C. To, do, you're going for smoothness. The second set of notes, to, do, do. That can be smoother. In this case, the B flat to C is going against the grain. So as you do that, you can see some later videos I do where you actually use your lips more than your tongue. But that's another video for another time. That's called fretting or against the grain. Very important usage for many solos, and especially in jazz soloing, where you can jump all over different intervals on the horn without being encumbered by the physicality of using your tongue for all those notes. Something like. Or. But that's for a different video. Number 29, Serenity, round. Here we go.